This is 2006 Renault Kangoo F76 model. So this car had a problem is a fuel gauge issue. Some fuel gauge is playing up and down. So I'm going to off the fuel pump, then have a look. The gauge is alright, the sender unit. So we need to pull out the fuel pump first, the lines. Okay, we go into this level up and down. Okay, that's mean as a full, and going down gauge showing in the empty. Go down. Okay, this showing empty. This should be in the meter gauge showing in the empty. When we turn the ignition on, it's showing fuel gauge is empty. Now up, and should be showing in the level is full. Okay, and ignition on is showing level is full. Okay, then we have to check the after the half level. Go in the half, turn ignition on, they're showing half. That means gauge is working fine. So this problem is they have some in here. Some in mark in here. They should be line up the filter to hit here. You can see 3 line, and the fuel pump should be in this arrow. Need to be line up. Tank inside is some hitting some this pipe is hitting in the sender unit, so that's why not showing level up or down. Where's the level? So we have to line the fuel pump properly, then gauge is working fine. Have the o-ring, put back the o-ring. So we line the arrows. We already put back the fuel filter. Now we have to check for the gauge. How is the reading? Okay, we going to ignition on. So you can see now is the gauge is right, is showing the 5 knots. So I'm going to start the car. Okay guys, I fill up the fuel to the fuel tank, the full tank. So now is gauge showing it properly. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.